So here are the 4 chords required to play the mashup project on the ukulele. We're starting with an F, so we're going to use this finger here and this finger here to start off with. So this one is going to go on the top string on the 2nd fret, like so. Then the F is going to go on the string, not below this one, but below that, so the 3rd string, and it's on the 1st fret. Make sure you bend your fingers, and it should sound like this when you play it. So that's your F chords. Then we've got the C chords, which is just this finger here on the bottom string on the 3rd fret, so it's the bottom string chords. So we've got the F chords, the C chords. Now the next chord is just like the first one, the F, but what you're doing is you're going to take your 3rd finger and you tuck it underneath like that. So you've got that's on the 2nd fret, that's on the 2nd fret, and that's on the 1st fret. And then the string at the bottom is open. That's a D minor. So got F, C, D minor. And then to play the B flat, all you need to do is leave that finger where it is, and then these two are going to kind of swap over, but are going to form a line. So that one now goes there, and this one is going to go on the 3rd fret of the top string. So you've got 3, 2, 1, open on the bottom. So we've got we've got F to the C, then 3 fingers on, form a line. And when you've got the hang of that, you can think about the strumming pattern, making it more interesting.